Apple is going to remove the Plus model since it's not sold that much because people just get the Pro Max instead of the Plus. The Air is Apple's thinnest iPhone, beating the iPhone 6 at 6.9 millimeters back then. This is going to be 5.5 millimeters, which is extremely thin. However, the iPad Pro M4 13-inch is still going to be the thinnest Apple device out there. Of course, it's also gonna have 120Hz since all of the iPhone 17 models are going to have 120Hz refresh rate. Now let's talk about the design of the iPhone 17 here, because it's kind of weird. Okay, so Apple may be copying Google's design. So this horizontal camera lock you'll see on Google Pixel 9 series, which I absolutely love. This is a beautiful design. Good job, Google. Apple is going to kind of copy it for the iPhone 17. However, it's not going to have an ultra-wide or telephoto because it's so thin, so it has to make those sacrifices. However, it is 48 megapixels, so you're getting 2x digital focus. You're going to have a telephoto and a wide. It's what they say. But I just see a one. For the battery, it's going to have around 4 milliamps-ish battery percentage. It's not going to be the best battery on an iPhone because it's going to be super thin. However, it's still going to have a really good battery that can last you through the day. Of course, you're going to have USB-C. The phone will be made out of aluminum, which is nice. However, it's not as premium as like titanium or stainless steel.